Guys, today will we discuss about UIDI suggested secure way to avail M-Aadhaar service check. What's that? The Unique Identification Authority of India (UIDAI) recently issued useful advice to the safeguard the use of the M-Aadhaar app. The UIDAI has started that M-Aadhaar app user would be required to provide a four-digit password in order to the utilize any Aadhaar service such as Aadhaar lock, unlock, biometric lock, unlock, and so on. Regarding the same, UIDAI recently suggested to the M-Aadhaar user on its Twitter handle that the setup four-digit passcode and for you Aadhaar app. This passcode will required if you any services related to any related Aadhaar profile like Aadhaar log, unlock, biometric log, unlock, VID generator, EKYC, etc. By following this advice and generating a passcode, Aadhaar card holder will be able to have secure use their Aadhaar app. So to create a four-digit pass code, follow the way control below. Yeah, yeah, this is a logo of Aadhaar and how to create a four-digit pass code for Aadhaar app or Aadhaar code. User using the Aadhaar app must click on register my Aadhaar and enter the four-digit passcode of their choice. To generate a four-digit passcode to download the utilize the Aadhaar app service with the passcode. Simply follow this easy instruction. Number one, open the default app store of your mobile phone and search for the Aadhaar app. Now on the Aadhaar page, tap on the install button. Now allow the required permission and selected language and produce proceed. Now set a four-digit password for your app. You must keep this password secure as it will be required easy time every time you log in into the app. Enter your Aadhaar register mobile number to generate the OTP. Enter the verify the received OTP and the upon the successful verification you will be allowed to be avail Aadhaar service from your smartphone. How to manage Aadhaar app. The Unique Identification Authority of India also recently revealed how Aadhaar app user can obtain Aadhaar service, saying that there are three tabs in the app which are designed as a Aadhaar service: personalized Aadhaar profile and Aadhaar enroll center. The Aadhaar app provide access to all Aadhaar online service including downloading Aadhaar card, creating a customized Aadhaar profile, and identifying the nearest Aadhaar enroll center and so on. About the three section in Aadhaar app to avail Aadhaar service, UIDAI has also recently informed the user that Aadhaar has a three major section: Aadhaar service dashboard, single window for all Aadhaar online service for Aadhaar holder, my Aadhaar section personalized space for all the Aadhaar profiles. You at the enrollment center section for locating the nearest enrollment center. UIDAI has released the most recent version of the Aadhaar app to access all Aadhaar service in a new way. UIDAI has advised the customer on its Twitter handle that to experience the new and uploaded feature and the service in the Aadhaar app, that you uninstall any previously installed version, download the latest version from Google Play Store. Benefits of mAadhaar app. The mAadhaar user can be get the following benefits of the mAadhaar apps. You can get a download your Aadhaar by downloading or requesting a reprint of Aadhaar, or by retrieving lost of the forgotten Aadhaar. Using mAadhaar, you can view so Aadhaar as ID proof in offline mode whenever required. You can also update your Aadhaar details online using document or without a document proof. Using the Aadhaar app, you can also manage the Aadhaar of your family for up to 5 members. Using the Aadhaar app, you can also share the paperless eKYC or QR code to the nearest service providing agency. Using the Aadhaar app, you can secure your Aadhaar number using locking Aadhaar or biometric faculty. You can generate or retrieve VID using the Aadhaar app. To access Aadhaar service, instead the following app. Using the Aadhaar app, you can use the Aadhaar SMS service offline. User can also check any Aadhaar related request status under the dashboard section of the app. Using the Aadhaar app, one can also view the manage update history and the authentication. You can make the appointment to visit your nearest Aadhaar Seva Kendra after the successful update request. The Aadhaar Shine faculty allow residents to get the new details in the Aadhaar profiles, additional information about them, Aadhaar content, user guideline, term and condition, and more than provided in the more tab of the app. And the more section also has the link to the supportive document from which individual can obtain the Aadhaar enrollment or the update a correction form. In the addition to useful FAQ and access to chatbot. Thank you for watching.